Good morning everyone! 11 o'clock na, ngayon pa kami nakalabas ng hotel. Pinick up kami ni Tito Gab. Hi Tito Gab! Punta kami kina Tita Mimi, bahay ni Lola. Napas tindahan si Mingay dong? Punta kami kasi nagtinda ang aming Tita Mimi eh. I'm saying Tita Mimi. Alrighty, let us go. Hi Daddy. Amuli na siya po? Oh. Sarado naman pala guys. Ubus na pala ang kanilang karne ay.
Wah, tita si smelly.
Always smelly. Hi, dito ba?
Hi. Mama, there's no more space.
Okay mo, a little bit here lang. Kay Tita Nerma.
Hello.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog, nanimang baka. Magkaroon yan yung washing. Hi. Hindi mo na ito mga ay. Agime.
Kaka, I bought it.
Okay, go. Wow, na mga pay-pay oh.
You won.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Agoy, sis. Okay, come on na. 1, 2, 3.
Actually, got Tito John's house. Like that.
Yeah, later. Okay, bless Lola. Bless Lola.
Paris, please.
Ay, bless.
Good morning.
Morning, come na.
Lola! Lola!
Go, bless Lolo.
Good morning.
Bless Lolo.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Uy! How it man? Hold the hand. Look.
Okay. Hello. Hoy, bless Lola. Ay, Lola, tita. Ay, dong. Bless tita. Bless tita, be. Hold hands. Hold tita's hand. Bless.
Ate Nanen!
Hi, tito. Shush. Sikit mo kay tabi. Hi, tito. Ba. Look, say hi, tito. Hi. Oh! Amira! Amira, tubig dili! Maligyan! Hello! Ubus dire guys. Mama is cooking RM. RM ito na? Ti, paibot to na ti. Gani, anak, ano ba? Sige, sa
Hi! Mama is cooking RM guys for Ate RM.
Pag sila? $1. Ate Nicole will buy you one, okay?
I just really have coins.
Okay, can I have this then?
Mommy needs to buy one.
Yeah, Ate Nicole is buying you one.
Ilaw daw siya og kanang RM sa Pinas guys.
Let's buy a toy.
Okay, you can keep it.
Ay, nangandoy siya lani.
Masarap magluto ng mama tsaka papa ko guys nitong RM.
Meron kaming
Nagkatay kami ng baka kanina guys. That's why.
Papa po to. Papa po.
May libreng baka si ate.
Baka. May libreng laman ng loob. Oh, saan ko ito? Loob.
Kato ni kag itlog uto giinit.
Pinoy dito mo.
Ah,
Nama ko, kanima ko. Alin namin ko, kanima.
manok. Tara na to. Paa.
Okay pa nima? Ano? Puso.
So, gabi man na di ba dali mo ko anong lukay.
palong. Sige, palong mo na ni Dere.
Na-effect sa no.
Wow, Ate Lini, try be. Mine. Ooh. Wala may punjay. Saging.
Leng! Amo tigab.
Hoy!
Coin.
Te, kuha ka mo, te.
Yeah, hi, sumunod yan.
Ngaon ta mangaon. Mike!
Main. Sakay ka. Imo lagi gani.
Butay baso.
Bago ni ma.
Init pa sa puso.
Ini gimana ya?
Main. Dah. Ayo lagi main lagi aja yang lagi palit.
Ano mo?
Ayo kami bidai. Enggak pre. Ini bakwan naman eh. Sabagay na kami muna ada. Saya lamig sila nga rin gabi. That's what I said. That's what I said. There's no...
Naman te kulor.
Parang 2 to 5 cancel. There's no race schedule in 0. Okay?
Layo.
Schedule sa mga Ayan?
Ulit nang gama. Amo itlang nagyon taog ka nang i-reschedule ba mo another day na mas mahal pa man ang bayad sa yung palit siyang ticket kung schedule ko wala siguro.
Malayo siya. Pilipinas ko to.
Kami na ko pwede sir. Like 24 hours before your flight, I told mo, reschedule ang ba nga no cost. Gani.
Wala naman yung dural di pa ito. Panikip.
Iya to nga, Jete.
Ano?
Leng! Sabaw. Langoy.
Alam?
Alam day? Gamay na ito sili ako di ba ito? Ano nga lang bitak-tak ko gayo ang sili. Nga lang kayo.
Tulong na ako lang po.
Ito?
Isin. Asa ka ba yung dang? Pig. Pig? Pig.
Say mama.
Pick up pig.
Mama. I'm squash in here.
Say papa.
Papa.
Say tita.
Tita. Say auntie. Auntie.
Say lola.
Say auntie.
Lolo.
Lula.
Say lola.
Lula. Nano?
Lolo.
Lolo.
Ayan.
Ay, hindi ka mo rin si Celine din. Nito siya papa?
Lolo putot. Lolo putot po. Lolo putot.
No?
Ah, kaya sa tinagaan.
No?
Say pupo.
Makapangas ka ni ma?
Say pupo.
No? No?
Pick up kami ng
Say
another
mama.
puppy guys.
I'm squash in here. Say mama.
Mga ligo.
Ganis.
Sama kami lahat.
Say dada. Say dada. I'm squash in here.
Tignan din
Hello.
give you ko an idea guys. I use
Say dada.
Oh. Hala, tanong na si Mama guys, online na Philippines. Nauna na sa loob. Nabubo na siya.
Hala guys, basta makasama.
Kasama lahat.
Kasama lahat.
Si Celine o Daddy Mike nasa harapan. Okay lang naman siya.
Kakak, look.
Si Paris is squash.
Aku rasa I'm squash.
Ako sa Niscos.
Na-squash si Lula, na-squash.
Kasalina ko.
Dali, manggugong. Ano mo kayo magkano?
So, nihapit pa siya. Ala. Uy, that's Tita Ra. Uy, naray Lula. So, nihapit pa siya ati sa hotel, guys. Kaya nagbaro ang manghod sa camera. Yang isa ka camera. Hangon, anak. Mommy's vlogging.
Hello.
How's the experience, Bar? Good? Huh? Did you enjoy staying here in the Philippines?
Sorry, Kakak. Yes.
Yes?
Ay, bisa ba nang mamit ha? Sorry.
Pulsan niya karon.
Bye.
Man.
Look, guys, oh. Look. Sa kami bukid. This green grass of home. Anak ka, patungas ka ayo. Uy, hinay na.
mauti ka ng mga tumigkid mo.
Sila kuya na nagsunod? Wala sa Putyokan. Transfer si Papa, guys. Sa kanila. Kasi sobrang piot dito. See you there! Uy!
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Uy, kabaho ba?
Wait, Mama.
Hi, baby Kid!
Where are we going?
Huh?
Hungry.
Are you hungry?
I'm gonna tell them where we're going.
We'll get biscuit, okay?
I'm gonna tell them where we're going.
We're going to Tinagaan. Tinagaan.
To get a piggy. We're getting piggy.
Dudu na. Doa. Kasi na. Iyan na. Papa. Punay Pinoy.
Baran ba ya?
Hi, te. Hello. Lumbok na gusto rin na. There's a tindahan here. So, find the tindahan. The biscuit, okay? We'll get biscuit.
Mabari sarso.
Huh?
Mabari sarso.
Jim? Amadi, bima. You got water already.
Paris.
Ano ba? Ano to pa? Tingnan kami ng baboy, guys.
So what's actually happening?
Mimi's buying pig from here.
But you don't bring it home
They're just looking. They will.
now?
Yeah, if they agree.
How would I get it there?
The one. Where's that guy? Do this one.
In here?
Yeah, they put the pig inside.
Okay, look at it.
Huh?
Okay, look at it.
Yeah, that's where we're going. Sama-sama si Daddy Mike.
Drop me off a hill up, yeah? No.
Yeah. On our way back.
Is it alive?
Of course, Pablo. Ay, this one? Yeah. Ito na si Mike ba? Is that alive? Oh, it's pregnant one, Daddy.
Oh, that's fine.
Tala, tumak.
Maligid ka dito, magkilit ka yun. Magkilit ka dito.
Mo to, ah?
Nani, nagsinda no?
Ito lang kuhan, balas siya mo yun.
Naglalang dito. Ano? Ay, nagluluda no?
Biya, papalabiyag.
Niwan kayo na,
Lalo, asa mo pa, aana?
Pagpeta si Paris sa buwan.
Ay, pagkatag na tindahan mo nung pinya. Sabi, ako kaya biyag.
I want to get baby pig.
There's no baby pig man.
No, there.
Wala, ayaw, maligid tara to.
I want to get baby piggy.
Huh? It's very, really bab.
Yeah, that's very small. Okay, I wanna see lagi.
Hinay, ha? Hold. Tabi po lang. Tabi po. Uy, anak! Look, it's muddy. Ito yung titingnan nila na baboy, guys. So, I think hindi ko pa na-mention before sa inyo, guys. Uy, anak ko, Paris! Mura jud kag, korek na! Likit ah! Okay, ang tawag dito, ito yung business ng kapatid ko, guys. They buy a pig and then they slaughter. Uy, mag-kiss him ka na. Sabi po. Lini, don't touch that one.
I want to bring him home.
Huh? No, they're looking at that one. Tignan nyo, oh.
Yan o? Yeah.
Are you right there, Daddy? You okay there? Uy, don't touch, ha?
Saan napalihan na? Dito na.
Mama, I still want that one.
We'll go have a look in the other place. Come on.
No, baby piggy.
Nakabalok. Dito, we'll show you.
Okay, hold on.
Dog.
Let's go.
What are they doing for now? Just putting it in the truck?
Yeah, put it in there. Pasakay na.
Pese 1,000 na ako.
Uy, pese.
Akong pita ka lang.
Okay.
Here, where do we ride?
Naka-LB.
I think this thing was last night.
Uy, gusto siya magpapay itong baby pig.
What's the bad for it?
Parang ni siya eh. Yeah, I was telling me before. So there you are again being sentimental. Mimi told me.
Do you feel bad?
Thank you.
Yes.
And then when you go back to your store,
A few moments later.
Hello, baby! Diyos, halak mo sa siya. Hello, oy! Ay! Dudong! Bless mamita dong!
natawag na ipakita yung mamita show, mamita
Na no more ba? Guys, nandito kami sa guys. Ano tawag gani ma? Street food. Oh, diba?
Guys, we're here at the market. We're at the park. Hi, this is a park. Yeah, but I call it a market because it's free. Yeah. We buy corn. Yeah, we're buying corn. So we'll show you around.
Okay. Wait a minute.
So we're going to ask Mom to turn the camera around. Wait. The camera is moving. Guys, the camera. This is the English name, Paris. Watch. You just can't hear it. I know. It's really cool. It's amazing. Oh, poor doggy. Yeah, poor doggy. This is the doggy. Sorry, when I ask my mom if we can turn the camera around. Mama, can we more? Oh, how did you do that? Yeah. Mommy, say hi. Celine, so hi! Hi. Hi guys, this is my family name. Celine is Cutie. So this is the market. Name Park. We're in the park, then there's a moon and oh my god, the moon is not. Why? Hey guys, I buy some corn big. Then guys, I'm here. This is the corn. Okay, so we'll see you guys later. Bye bye. You say welcome to my vlog. Bye bye. Welcome to my vlog and bye. Bye.
Ang lamig kaya ni. Not that one, anak. I'll get you one in the can, ha? We'll go to the shop. Oh, there, oh. Dili lemonade, puno. Ito na lemonade. Okay. It's okay. We'll go there. Oh, naman dito makbo. Lemonade. I'll get one in the can.
Okay. Okay, mommy.
Thank you, anak. Butong mo diha. Mak, lamig ka na, mak. Oh, ang kuan, ang turon, mak. Okay, keep going, anak. Anak,
Andiyan mo, anak. Andiyan mo.
mais lagi yan, mak. Sige lang, mak. Baka siya mais, mak. Usap pa kayo siya magkaon, kaya may gagaw, mak.
May ibo nga mga upan.
Sige lang.
May chips. Andiyan mo, maruya or toron.
Itong turon, mak. Okay, kuan, crunchy. Nak, ah? Keep walking lang.
Hindi ka mo dito na nagbanan.
Ako ka na. Kamuti. Sa?
Who's the happy baby? Hala. Kilid lang. Par, what are you having? What are you having? I don't know, Doti. Wala yung siya kabalon siyang kanunti kaya yung gusto rin manihatag sa iya. Mountain Dew? No, yung tata. Sprite? What are you having? Mura gid tao nang iyang pwede. Sprite. Hotdog dito, hotdog. Dili. Mama labha.
Ang chips mo ga?
Turn to. Hotdog. Mais. Seryoso ay ikaw. Nangana rin yung tato yung mama, oh. Pang pamahaw pa niyo ito, panihapon na niya guys. Hotdog na lang, dili lang halang ya. Pila mo tanan?
Apil kong tulutan.
Ah. Yes, nak.
Ay, thank you, ah. Ay, why you're not starting one. Dinner kami ni Daddy Mike, guys. Dito kami sa Steve's Steak.
And grill.
Steve's House. Steak ribs.
I'm sorry, sir. Out of stock na din yung salmon order yung stock of the food, sir. Kaya naman na service mo, bibi back mo sa first, sir.
Ah, okay.
But Ito ba sino sir?
Yeah, I got this one.
Thank you, sir.
Sa sakyanan na, boot, mga sapatos, Huling, RG. Gano'n na ba na siya basta kalipay sa mga tagaan ka?
Pare, ito na. This favorite ma?
Was that mine? Yeah, yeah. Yes. It's.
Yeah.
Good.
Wala kami ah.
Go
inside the last. Bukay tayo na ba?
Uy, say bye-bye, nanda dito.
Bye-bye.
Hanggang dito na.
No!
Asahan niyo.
Wait.
Ano?
Ow.
Hanggang dito na.
Uy,
Bye.
Mine.
wala ni, sakay na. Sakay ng pagtuda ni carpet ride.
La.
Oi!
Ay na.
Let go.
No. No.
Uy, Dudong! You wanna go to Australia, Dong?
You wanna come to Brisbane? You wanna come swimming? Shoes, the daddy shoes.
Why are you so obsessed with you?
Yes.
Dalo na umay. Yatag na yung kam.
I love it. So cute.
Tulog ito ng car sa oras na.
Pantek ka ka rin.
Bantay ka ka rin doon.
Tato. Saan na di mo? Tato. Uy!
Tato.
No! No, put it in your mouth.
Tato.
Ano? Bye.
Ang tanga.
Ma.
So Johnny, first. Yeah, it's time. Whatever. Good to go.
Ito na daw siya.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you very much.
Hindi ko gusto mo lang to, Tejo. Hilak ng mama na yun.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Shoes, that's Tito Mike's shoes.
Tata.
Hug
Come
na,
on.
hug na Tito Mike.
Uy, natin. Sige na, uy.
I going later na.
Dali na. Ay mo, nakaw na si Tito White. Magiging ka na.
Oh, you have to fix it now.
Naamping sa biyahe na dito.
Nababay na dito.
Bye-bye.
No, wala.
Good night.
Dan.
Oh, Dan. Good night. Bye-bye. Karo? Mine.
Justin.
Ha?
Kiss ati ba? Kiss ati.
Cheers.
Put it down. Dirty.
There's pupo, uy. There's pupo in the shoes.
Night na sa chilula. Oh,
Night-night.
night night. Mga tut ka ma, gamay sa sakyanan di ka ba?
Okay, goodbye.
Palitaw na ka.
Go to Mama.
Come, come. Let's go na.
Ano yan? Balik pa
Bye-bye,
dyan.
suitcase.
Ang bandido.
Sige na. Huy.
Bye. No.
Bye-bye. Bye, no.
Now.
I'll see you later, yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, what time na
Ate, sige.
See you tomorrow.
Pares,
We'll be here at 4:30.
4:30.